5. A friend of mine told a story about his father, who went to a very posh school in the UK. This was many years ago. His father was in a classroom where a strict teacher, wearing his academic gown, was taking attendance. He had just scolded another student for failing to address him as doctor, giving a speech about how people must use his proper title since he had earned that respect. Then he moved on to the student seated beside him, calling out his last name, Suffolk. There was no response. The teacher repeated, Suffolk. Again, silence. Frustrated, the teacher approached the boy, who was smirking. Why aren't you responding, Suffolk? He demanded. The boy replied, because you got my title wrong, doctor. I am the Earl of Suffolk, so the correct address is my lord. My friend's father was indeed in school with the Earl of Suffolk, and it certainly wiped the smirk off the teacher's face.